Hello, my name is Jeremy Fox. This will be my week 1, project 1 video review for AOC2 term 1209. First thing I believe we are to talk about was, what did you do for your project? Well, let me boot it up here real quick and you'll see it was motorcycle themed, as you can see by the picture of my own motorcycle here on the bottom. It's just a motorcycle theme. We are building motorcycles with our factory. Go through a short overview of your code. Okay. Short overview goes like this. Here is our view controller, which obviously sets up everything you're seeing here in the simulator. But there's 3 sections to note. 1, 2, and 3. And each one of those sections creates this section over here in the simulator, which I'm trying to circle with my mouse. You probably can't see it that well, but it's the these 3 sections over here. Ultimately, what happens is we create the we instantiate a subclass and grab the properties on it, and then use those to create the strings. We create these subclasses using our JF motorcycle factory, which is a singleton, so we get the shared instance and call the method instantiate motorcycle of type, pass it a lowercase string of the class name, of the subclass name to that, and then it automatically sets up all the labels and everything for us, instantiates it, and returns that class, the subclass that we pass it. So if we go into here and look at it, we receive the type, and then we set the motorcycle depending on the type. So if type is equal to string, we have a constant. I've set up a constant here for it, but K Ducati Monster, which is this JF motorcycle Ducati Monster. So if that's the lowercase string of our subclass, we'll jump into here, create a JF motorcycle using alloc init, of course, and then we set all the properties on that subclass using our custom getters and setters. And then of course we have a couple specific methods to the, or unique methods to the subclass itself. So like each one of these, you'll see set has Ducati warranty, set Ducati warranty description, set has Honda warranty, set Honda warranty description, and then Suzuki. And that's why I had to cast the motorcycle, because up here I'm telling it is of type JF motorcycle, which each one of the subclasses are, obviously. But when we got down to here, for these specific subclass methods, it didn't know what they are, so we just had to cast it. Boom, done. This is the factory. That's what it does. And then of course we have our singleton boilerplate stuff down here, which just creates the instance if it doesn't exist, or just keeps returning the same instance. And so if we go back to the view controller, so here we're just using our custom getters, grabbing all these things, using. And then this, of course, is the update stock with sold count, is the method that was originally defined on our base class JF motorcycle, as you can see right there. Update stock count, update stock with sold count. But I'm overriding that in each one of the subclasses to do something slightly different for each one. There you go. And then depending on the value of that, with what I'm passing it, so like I'm passing it 3 for Ducati, 1 for Honda, 5 for Suzuki. So those are the numbers we've sold. It does some slight different calculations on it, and as you can see over here, the return value would be 2, 8, and 16 according to the first line. So it says 2 2012 1000cc Ducati Monsters available, 8 2010 600cc Honda CVRs available, and 16 2011 750cc Suzuki GSX-Rs available. That's pretty much the extent of it. Let's see, what was the last thing? What do you think you could have done better? Really, about the only thing I really think I could have done better, there could have been some slight, refactoring I did here and there. Didn't really spend a whole lot of time on going back and looking to see if maybe I could have refactored something. So maybe I missed something there. I could have refactored, make it a little cleaner. But also the UI, rather than just having all these labels kind of gobbed together, I could have probably done something different with that, made it look prettier. That's about it though. So that's all I've got. Thank you for watching.